Let's explore the concept of stages in CI/CD pipelines, focusing on where to store files and how to use them. Stages are sequential phases like build, test, and deploy. Here's a visual representation of a typical CI/CD pipeline with its stages. We'll differentiate between internal stages, hosted within your own infrastructure, and external stages, using cloud services like AWS or Azure. Efficient file management is crucial for security, performance, and scalability. By 2025, hybrid setups combining both approaches are becoming common. Internal stages run on your own infrastructure, such as private servers or virtual machines. This gives you complete control over security and data sovereignty, which is especially important for sensitive data, as highlighted by cybersecurity incidents like the SolarWinds hack. Internal storage options include NFS shares and on-premises object storage like MinIO. Use secure protocols such as SFTP or VPN. Benefits include full control and compliance, but scalability can be a limitation. External stages utilize cloud-hosted runners, such as GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps. This provides elasticity and scalability, making it ideal for public or high-demand needs. Platforms include AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. Access is typically via APIs and SDKs. While offering global reach and auto-scaling, be mindful of bandwidth costs, potential data leaks, and data sovereignty regulations like GDPR. Adopt best practices for file storage to ensure security, efficiency, and scalability in your CI/CD pipelines. Use immutable version systems like Git LFS for managing large files. This approach provides version control and prevents unauthorized changes to your file assets. For confidential files, rely on internal storage enhanced with AES 256 encryption to protect data at rest and implement role-based access control to limit who can access sensitive information. For public or scalable needs, external storage solutions are suitable, offering global accessibility and automatic scaling as your file requirements grow. Design your pipelines with modular, reusable jobs to streamline file operations and reduce redundancy across your development workflow. Decide on storage locations based on file sensitivity. Keep source code internal to protect intellectual property, while storing test data externally to enable easier collaboration among team members. Artifacts generated in one stage are passed to the next using cache keys or upload-download jobs. Artifacts generated in one stage are passed to the next using cache keys or upload-download jobs. For example, store build outputs in external storage for quick access by deployment stages, while keeping secrets and sensitive configuration internal. Tools like GitHub Copilot for CI/CD can auto-optimize stage configurations, reducing file storage overhead. A hybrid approach, using both internal and external stages, is increasingly common. This combination provides the security of internal storage with the scalability of external clouds. Gartner predicts 80% of enterprises will adopt hybrid setups by 2026. AI is also playing a role, with machine learning models stored in external storage for scalability, but model artifacts cached internally for faster iterations. This reduces pipeline times significantly. Sustainability is a growing trend, with internal stages running on renewable energy-powered hardware, reducing carbon footprints as cloud providers commit to green energy. By 2030, expect stageless pipelines using event-driven architectures, where files are streamed rather than stored, enabling more dynamic and efficient workflows. Real-world companies demonstrate the practical application of internal and external stages. Netflix maintains proprietary streaming algorithms on encrypted on-premises network-attached storage for maximum security, while leveraging external Amazon S3 for distributing user-generated content globally. This hybrid approach reduces deployment failures by isolating sensitive files. Spotify, on the other hand, uses Google Cloud Storage to handle massive audio file artifacts, benefiting from external auto-scaling that accelerates feature releases. These examples illustrate the key trade-offs. Internal stages provide control and compliance, while external stages offer speed and scalability. Experts emphasize the importance of layering encryption and ensuring data sovereignty, even when using external storage. Kelsey Hightower, Google's former Kubernetes lead, states that external storage is great for scale, but internal ensures sovereignty. Always layer encryption. Nicole Forsgren, author of Accelerate, emphasizes that hybrid models boost deployment frequency by 2x with proper file governance. Key statistics reveal critical insights. 72% of organizations report data breaches from external storage mishandling, according to the IBM Cost of a Data Breach Report 2025. Internal stages reduce mean time to recovery by 45% for security incidents, per Puppet Labs 2025. File storage costs average 0.23 per GB per month in external stages versus 0.1 for internal, based on AWS pricing analysis. Additionally, 55% of CI/CD failures stem from file access issues in misconfigured internal-external handoffs, according to Circle CI's State of Software Delivery report. Understanding these trade-offs is key to effective CI/CD.